started listening to Joe Rogan religiously.
Nah, man, I love you, dude.
It's a little tense. Oh, this is the wrong road. I'm not paying attention today. I'm going the wrong way. Whoa. Whatever, dude. I don't care. Oh my gosh, my battery's about to die. I started listening to Joe Rogan religiously. I was popping an AirPod in and just listened to him all day long. And he described this moment to me and everybody else. When he's in his green room about to go on set, he listens to this one song and like everyone's chilling, vibing, you know, feeling themselves. It's all good. I don't remember what song it was, but I started listening to a different song on my way to the gym every morning. No Diggity by Blackstreet. And it kind of feels the same. It's the same vibe. As I'm going to the gym, it's like I'm about to start my day. I can't play it for you, but you should go listen to it because, dude. Anyway, I'm going to the gym. I got 2 of these. Dude, I started buying these things in bulk because they're like $3 at the gas station, but you can get like 12 for $9. So, I don't know, it seems like a good deal. Dog, it was so disheartening. The other day, I backed into a pillar. My car is totally fine, but I just felt like a loser. Dog, what happened? Literally, I go into work, sunny. I'm wearing shorts. Going to work, wearing shorts. Just got out of the gym, Starbucks, shorts. And now, it's a winter wonderland. Now it's turned into a POV, you drive a WRX in the snow. I mean, it's just beautiful. Beautiful, gorgeous. Gorgeous amount of snow. Gorgeous amount of snow. Wow. Look at that. Look at that, dude, come on. That's beautiful. That's my boss right there, I think. Hello, Sammy. If you ever see this video, I hope that you enjoyed that donut that you just saw. Here's another drift. Oh shit. Yeah, dude, it's bad. It's very, very bad. But the thing is, with the Subaru, I still have like really good handling. It's insane. It's actually certifiably insane. I got away from all the other cars. I took like the back roads home. Maybe a bad idea, maybe not. I just really don't want someone to hit me because I'm in complete control right now. Like, kind of feels a little unstable. Like I'm playing it safe, but I could definitely give it more. It's insane. Watch. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not. It's a little tense. The only thing I'm afraid of is getting hit. I'm not afraid of sliding at all. I'm not afraid of, you know, going out of control. Literally, dude, if you've been in the snow ever in a front wheel drive car, you know it's the worst thing ever. I don't know, man. Maybe take this as like your manifestation sign to get a Subaru. I think we're supposed to get like 8 inches. That's not a ton, but it's you know, it's enough to make a grown man cry for sure. It would be my best advice to everybody. No, actually, I implore you, please, for the love of God, buy an all-wheel drive car and learn how to drive it recklessly. You know what I mean? Like, learn how to drift, you know, so that you can control it in times of need. Are these pumps not working? What are you doing, my friend? Where are you going? You should just go the other way. Yeah, see that? You see that? See his front wheel spinning? That guy can barely control his car. I can't even see in my window. Oh, okay. All right. I don't know why he went over there. That was weird. Where's he going? What's this guy doing, dude? I'm enamored by whatever this is. Oh, and he's backing up now. Strange behavior. Oh shit. All the pumps are down?
All of them, bro. This is the worst gas station.
Nah, man, I love it here, dude. Usually.
There's not even a number on this pump.
Dude, you just gotta guess.
That's right.
It's probably like 7 or 8.
I don't know.
Oh, dude, it's 8. This one says 7 on it. Those shots might be interesting. The fisheye view, maybe a little like 90s style, I guess. I don't know. I'm not gonna tell this dude my gas is literally full and I'm doing this as an art project. Bruh. I hope he's okay, dude. I hope the guy gets home safe in his front wheel drive child's mobile. Oh yeah, there's freaking speed bumps in here somewhere. It's a little trap. They gotta just go by memory on where they are. I think there's one right here. Oh, I can kind of see it. Yeah, I'm gonna be careful, dude. Oh, okay. I'm gonna send it out of here. It's all right, dude. Dude, I can't see a thing. Wow. That's kind of fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been an honor. It's been a pleasure, and I'll see you in the next one.